Crypto Billionaire 69 back with another daily in-depth technical analysis on the overall market and Dogelon Mars. The global crypto market cap is down 13.31% today, decrease over the last day. All right, Terra USD. So, before we get into what's going on, I want to go over what happened with Luna. Because some of you beautiful people have been asking that. Hit that subscribe button. Check out the Patreon for real-time buy and sell alerts in the link in the description. So Terra Luna was a series of unfortunate events for those who have been holding. And my friend, I never got in this coin, but this is called a rug pull, okay? Pretty much what happens is the developers just tank it and take their money out. Pretty much, or the big holders just absolutely tank it. And I don't really know what happened here, if the shares were diluted or what, but it will hit $1. $1 before, oh my god, it hit below $1. Yeah, that's pretty crazy, man. So my condolences to all of you who were holding that. Hopefully, none of you, us beautiful crypto billionaire 69ers. We'll call us the 69ers. Yeah, I like that. So, Bitcoin. Remember, right now, don't be feeling the pain, okay? Everyone is feeling pain right now. And I just get a vibe like you're feeling that as well. Don't feel it, okay? Let everyone else feel that pain for you, okay? You sit on the sidelines and be like, dang, this is a really good opportunity, okay? Because it really is a good opportunity. We're seeing exactly what we want to see. Pain in the markets. That is what we're seeing. It's like after you stub your toe and the pain just doesn't go away, right? But it stays there. Makes you think about it. That's what's going on right now. The markets has just stubbed their toe. And it's going to take a little bit of time. We can see the volume coming back up to these previous levels here, which is a very good sign of support. So we shall see what happens in the future. But we have came down and touched this 27,011 level, which is pretty dope. That's right around this here. So that's pretty good. Hopefully we'll see a drop back down to these 24s. That would be the best pain-wise. We will see the most pain if we drop down to these levels. Now, how did I get that? Secret technique. Yes, you can look over here, but that's not really the technique. I'll show you guys. A boiled down version of this technique, okay? No, I'll save it. It's okay. I'll save it for later. Let's get into Dogelon Mars. Damn! We are hitting the 4 levels. This is the lowest we have been in a while. Wow. I don't know what to think. You know, some of me wants to be like, okay, I want to buy more. And some of me should be like, okay, let's hold. But those are both the emotional aspects of me, all right? Logically, all of those feelings, all of those thoughts go out the window. I'm as human as you guys. I just control it differently. How I look at it is, all right, based on historical events. Let's go. Historical events. It's all about math, guys. It's all about math. Based on historical events, here, we'll go with Sheeb. All right. Oh my god, I feel bad for Sheeb holders. Oh, man, I wish I started this channel back in the day whenever it was up here, because I got out around these 60 levels. And everyone was buying up there. I was like, what are you guys doing, man? What are you doing? But pretty much this right here, look. Saitama. Let's check it out. the historical events of things go up. It goes up. That's how big money makes money. If it doesn't go up, who's making money? No one. This is $100 million market cap. Pretty dope. I've heard a lot about this coin. Let me know if you're in Saitama down in the comment section. But god dang. It's probably just a trading view chart. They probably just added it on CoinMarketCap. But that trading view chart is not looking so hot. It's looking quite at like Dogelon Mars, to be completely honest. But with less historical, with less history going on. See, Dogelon Mars been on the market since 2021, 23rd of April. And Saitama has been on the market a little after that, June of 2021. So they're about the same, but look at the difference in the price, right? Look at the difference in the floors. Now, yes, we are breaking lower, and that's okay, guys. It really is okay. I actually like looking at it from this angle because I'll show you guys. Look at this. All right, on the very lowest, we have these levels. On the most volume, we have around these levels. And then at the top, we have these levels. All right. Came, boom. This is the range, the consolidation range that we are currently in. So, look for it to come down and hit these 3s. Possibly even these 2s. Dude, if it hits these 1s, I'm going to be stacking. This is going to be insane. Holy cow. I did not think we were going to see these levels, and that's really a pleasant surprise. Yeah. This is awesome. Yesterday I did average in a little bit more to my portfolio. So we shall see how that turns out to play. But it's good, guys. This is good. Realize in the long term, this is real good for everything. It's just scaring the weak out. That's all we're doing. It's just a cycle. It's a rinse and repeat cycle. It's like how you wash your dirty clothes. Right now we have a lot of dirty clothes in the hamper, and we're just putting them in the washer. We're washing them out before we can dry it, and then we'll move higher. Okay? So my friends, Crypto Billionaire 69. Check out the Patreon for real-time buy and sell alerts. Now would be a great time to get in because the buy alerts will be hitting. And if you are considering buying this coin, right now is a very good time to begin averaging in. Okay? Don't buy with your whole portfolio, because what if we go down to 1? Okay? From 4 to 1, that's over 50% drop. Okay? If you get in here. From 1 to 4, that's a 4x. Okay? So hopefully we get down to those levels. Hopefully. It will be insane, guys. It will be insane. Holy cow. From 1 back up to 10. That is a 10x. 10x. That's pretty much what we were looking at for this overall move. And what we're seeing. Wow. It's really crazy, guys. And this is a amazing opportunity, my friends. I don't know how many times I have to say that. But, yes. As long as we don't get rugged like Luna. And most of the supply is held by a foundation that has made themselves very clear and evident that they are long-term holders of the project. They have a real name behind it. Okay, it's this foundation right here. Non-profit medical charity focused on extending health of human lifespan by making 90 the new 50 by 2030. Isn't that dope? And this is who's holding over 50% of the supply. Okay? Okay. This guy right here. So hopefully he has good intentions. Do your own research, of course. But, yeah, I mean, it's pretty dope. It's pretty dope they came out and said, you know, we support this coin. We are long-term holders. And, join us. See, they don't even have... Oh, financials. Maybe. No. Yeah, so... I read an article that said... that said they were holding... Yeah. Something like this. Steward Dogelon Mars, value long term. Okay, so they control 43% of the world's Dogelon Mars cryptocurrency. Will manage. So if anyone's gonna rug it, it's gonna be this or other major holders. But I think they do have good intentions. So Luna, on the other hand, developer. Like Luna Crypto developer. I've never done research into this. Oof, my dude, Duquan. Dude, that has to be fake. Duquan? Duquan? Maybe not. That just sounds like a fake name to me. Anyways, Dogelon Mars! Hitting these 4 levels, this is freaking awesome. Holy cow, I just want to invest more into this right now. I might just have to be completely honest. Crypto being at 69. Check out the Patreon for real-time buy and sell alerts. First link in the description. And daily updates on the market. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Stay tuned. Stay strong and have patience. And HODL to Mars, my friends. Peace.